In this video, I'm going to show you a members video for which I just did today. We're talking about using Google. At the membership, we use the Mag 7 and all the leveraged ETFs to the indexes and sectors. We generate incredible cash flow using just those investments. I'll tell you what, Google is a great opportunity for us right now. In fact, I have a poor man's covered call trade on Google. We use GGLL, that's the 2X leveraged ETF, to Google. It's a monthly trade, so we're going to generate that monthly cash flow, not investing that much up front, but generating incredible cash flow every single 30 to 35 days. This is a set it and forget it trade. But I'll tell you what, when I show the members when to get involved, it's all about entry, right? The golden guidelines of covered call writing or using the poor man's covered call. It's all about favorable entry. And then we want to make sure we repeat the process to generate cash flow to get out at our cost basis. This is where a lot of people fall down. They're always overreaching. We always give ourselves downside protection if we're going to enter a trade via an in-the-money covered call or a cash secure put. But if we're going to use the poor man's covered call, we have to pick an entry point that makes absolute perfect sense. When we got involved down here. Most people get involved up here holding the bag. We've gotten involved at the bottom of the range. Google is one of them, and I actually doubled down on my poor man's covered call. We actually put on this trade. In the members video, you're going to hear the write-up just prior to today's action. In the video, it's trading for $89.50. I wake up this morning, it's popping just like I mentioned in the video. Look, in the description below, you get your 1 free month offer. This video is really short. This is what I do for the members. It's called Chart and Trade Breakdown. These are little classroom sessions the members get. Exclusive videos when you're a member in the phone app. You get the phone app and can watch it right inside your phone app. And of course, I put on this trade for which you would have gotten as a member. Members get all my trades in and out. In fact, we closed incredible trades today and put on incredible trades for next week. Hey, look, I hope you know NVIDIA's earnings are coming, and I hope you're trading around that. Instead of the TQQQs this week, we went with TNA and LABU. Look, if there's going to be a sector rotation out of tech, if NVIDIA misses, they're going to go to those. So we want to fade the trade. For 1 week, we'll be over here with TNA, LABU, DPST, and Yin. Then once NVIDIA's earnings pass, we're going to get back into it. Incredible closed trades the members got today and new trades for next week. I think we have about 5 of them on for next week. I think I sent the members 3 of them today. Hey, look, I'm going to turn it over to him. This is a members video. You only see if you're a member. So in the description below, get your 1 free month offer and join. I had 3 people join today. I was about to get off the desk. I saw I got 3 new members, had to plug them in the system and send them those emails. Hey, look, in the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Would love to welcome you aboard. Now, I'm going to turn it over to him. I know you're going to like this one. Hey, welcome back, everyone. We're going to talk Google today. GGLL is the 2X leveraged ETF I use for Google, and I have 7 Leaps call options for Google. It was trading in and around 101 when I got involved. When I say 101, that would be for GGLL. Google is currently trading for about $300+, but the chart's basically the same. We're going to go ahead and take a look at where we're at. When I got involved, I thought we had earnings. I thought with earnings and then a decent snapback, we get a couple candles here. Then the NASDAQ sells off. And so here we are. We're basing. And if you take a look, this is, again, GGLL. We have this bit of resistance. It's trying to break out It's trying to break out. This is Google. It's trying to break out. And once it does break out, it tested that support and then it rallied. And guess where it's trading right now? We've had a couple good days where in and around 87 looks to be the bottom right now anyway. So we're going to go ahead and add 3 more positions to this. Let's go ahead and take a real quick look at Google, the actual Google chart. It's trading at the bottom of its range and it even dipped out intraday. So I really have no concern of Google. Here's your line of support we just talked about. If you were going to get involved with Google, this would be the moment. Why? Because the NASDAQ itself has sold off considerably, Google being a large part of that. And I think now, just like Apple, just like Meta, these things are going to drift higher, although Meta has pulled back, but they're gonna drift higher. These are incredible Mag 7 stocks with incredible earnings. And look, when everybody is out there toying around with risky investments and being speculative, they always come back to the big guns. I believe Google will be one of those. So we're going to go ahead and stay in Google, finding nice little support. It didn't totally get there, but look at that. That's going to be a nice little reversal. And why do I feel like it's headed back above the Keltner channel mid? Microsoft, I still believe in. You could see that it's treading water here. The dividend just came out. I'm sure Wall Street likes that. And I think they're going to move this higher. I'm in it, so we're in MSFU. I bought incredible amounts of Leaps call options to really shore up that position. And these are going to be 30-day trades. I mean, now they're going to be cash printing 30-day trades. And when I'm making more than the overall stock market is during a time frame, hey, I'm just going to sit on it and roll with it. Microsoft will find itself back. So will Google. I like Apple still. Take a look at this. This is an incredible run. This is what I believe is going to happen with all the Mag 7. They'll dip out of the Keltner channel bottom and then just find a home somewhere. And then we're going to trade them. And it feels really good. Even when these things tank, they always come back to them. I mean, you'd love this to be up here, but every stock is trading in this crazy range. So we're just going to hang tight, but we're going to sell premium along the way and use opportunities like this to pick up a couple extra shares or pick up a couple extra Leaps call options. Will reduce your cost basis, and then your next trade, you don't have to reach. Remember, GGLL was trading at 101. So now by buying those extra Leaps call options and with it trading at 90, I don't have to get out at 101. I could actually have strikes that get me out lower. And that's what we're looking to do, and that's what we will do. If you were thinking about taking on a position in Google, I'll tell you, if it's me, this is when you want to do it. And if you wanted some downside protection, all you have to do is just scroll back to probably where it was bouncing. Just pick your bottom here. That would be 80. And that's where I would plant a flag for a cash secure put. Hey, look, I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to add 3 more Leaps call options to my current trade. In fact, here is the current trade. I already put on a couple covered calls and I went ahead and bought those back. We're just using this to print money. Is Google going away? No, I don't believe it is. So I'm going to keep printing money. We're going to use the poor man's covered call, place these 30-day trades. And right now, my cost basis is 99. I buy these 3 new Leaps call options. That could bring it down to maybe 98, 97. And all I have to do is get out at 97. That's 7 points away. I think I can do that. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may your covered calls be profitable.